world is revolving, markets keep changing rapidly. Demands are constantly emerging. Meanwhile, insights into changes in business ecology are being made. Human society has created tens of thousands of new products, as well as new models and new ways of thinking. Of the numerous possibilities present, C&D Inc. starts out from the point of view of its customers, building the Lyft supply chain services, exploring potential opportunities to value add during supply chain operation service processes, laying out a development path to connect you to the future. Continuously exploring and innovating, Lyft Supply Chain Services is based on the 4 service elements of logistics, information, finance, and trading. It is taking the lead in selecting, forming, and creating customized and flexible individualized services. On this road together, Lyft Supply Chain Services is integrated with logistics resources required for supply chain operation processes to manage customers. Information resources are integrated so that customers can fulfill the total informatization of operations management. Financial resources are integrated to provide customers with financial solutions. Trading resources are integrated for its customers' management of purchasing and marketing processes. In our eyes, every customer is exceptionally unique. Lyft understands the differences of every customer's needs. Based on the 4 types of supply chain services to integrate service elements for customers, Lyft plans solutions, enables insights into business trends, creates new service components, and solves customers' issues. Lyft wholeheartedly provides services according to your needs. Using the same service elements, but different service products, we service different industry characteristics with the same nature of services. Through the supply chain, we help customers build a value chain. We help customers re-engineer their operation models, creating increased value chains. These are the service values and goals that Lyft constantly proposes from beginning to end without compromise. Committed to value creation in the supply chain of operating service companies, C&D Inc. strongly supports Lyft Supply Chain Services and lets Lyft rely on it. C&D provides integrated resources and allocation of skills, rich service experience and capabilities in operations planning, as well as a complete risk management system and security mechanisms. Providing a convoy for Lyft Supply Chain Services throughout the entire journey, C&D uses its unique character and creativity infused into its sustained momentum. On this value creation path, Lyft not only understands resources, it links resources, it extends resources, and provides adequate resources, allowing the supply chain service to create deeper industry value and social value. By accelerating advancements in industry efficiency and promoting social economic development for more people to enjoy life with better quality. This is a philosophy of social responsibility. This is a kind of sustainable development concept. And even more so, it guides the firm belief in the future growth of Lyft. Lyft Supply Chain Service. C&D Inc. Lift the value.